There's one road that winds up the coast from Bangkok to Patani. It's got mountains on one side, the ocean on the other, so close sometimes it feels like you can just drag your foot in it. The last 6 months, every time I took that drive, I thought about you.
Did you come all this way to sell me a trip to Thailand? You got to the bottom of this beer. Explain away.
All right. First met Henry about a year ago. I didn't really like him, but he was a paying customer. I fixed his chopper a couple of times. Six months ago, he turns up at your shop with these two bikes. He asked me if I'd mind looking after him for a few days. I figure, what the hell, right? So I do. Then I go to move them, they don't start. So I check the tanks. They're filled with kilos of crystal meth. So first thing, I get them out of there.
So that's why that Fed McPherson raided my shop after you split. And then you dropped off the face of the earth.
I took off so you wouldn't get dragged into it. I split. Now it looks like I'm the only one involved with Henry.
So you left to protect me? Where'd you think you were gonna just come back in town and explain everything and then we just ride off into the sunset together?
More or less.
Well, which is it, more or less?
Well, I was actually thinking Mexico.